What are you doing, Trev? Just squatting out here, vlogging and stuff. I look like I'm pooping. I'm sitting on this chair.
Hi everybody, my name's Shayla. I make these videos every Wednesday.
Where are you? Hey guys, my name is Shayla and I make these videos every Wednesday. I've been traveling full-time since 2015 and this Wednesday I am in France in the lavender field. One of the benefits of always traveling and never having a specific place that you film is that sometimes the background is the same color as your skin, and sometimes there's lavender paintings on the wall that look crooked but they're not, it's just the angle of the camera. If you like this video, please like it, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Because I just hit 40K on YouTube, I did a giveaway with Gregory Pack. So go to, there's a video called 40K giveaway. It ends tomorrow. It's announced on Friday. So go. It's sad how winded I am. Maybe we're at altitude or something. I don't think so. I'm gonna be doing more giveaways with my Patreon. So I just started a Patreon. I will always do 4 videos a month, but this is if you want more. And all you have to do is sign up for $1 a month or $10 a month if you want to be part of the live Q&A videos. So pretty dope. Anyways, what this video is about, I am in France, in the southern region of France, Provence. You guys, I do not know any French. I'm like pretty good at Spanish. I love it. Seth can speak French. He's got the whole like accent. I'm not good at accents either. 5 words are all you need to know, like hello, goodbye, thank you, you're welcome, and excuse me, maybe bathroom. I'm here with Young Living and we're learning how to take the lavender and distill it into oil. The fields look like this like June and July, so if you're planning on coming, that's when you want to come. They're like ready to be harvested, and you know they're ready to be harvested because the sound of bees is alarming. So many bees. I got stung by a bee, not out in the fields, but in the car. Ironically, lavender oil can help. So we're here because we are looking at the lavender field. It's incredible to be here, and the people that I work with are just, they're so much fun. There. Yeah. Meow. Trev, you're so cute. Yeah, real great.
Okay, you're a tiger climbing out of here.
Hold on,
Oh my god!
Say what's up.
What's up?
Oh, so sassy.
I don't.
Miguel.
Yo.
Say what's up.
But they're just a lot of fun to work with. And they've got all the jokes. Half of them are terrible. They're also very, very good at what they do, and they work so hard. So you can't really complain because you're in France, you're learning something, you're with really cool people. But days start at 6:30 in the morning and will end at 11 o'clock at night. And at 11 o'clock at night, every night, I am drained. And I'm like, so what time are we gonna meet in the morning? And they're like, I don't know, breakfast at 7:30 so we can get up and get going. And I'm like, I have to make sure that I look good, that I'm ready because I'm the host. So I have to wake up early and make sure that I've showered and make sure that all the things are ready. Even though I'm thinking, Shayla, you're in this great place, suck it up. My body goes, I do not care where you are. I'm tired and I need to like go to bed, so I've been taking naps in the cars. And since it's a super cute small town, to get anywhere you go on these backcountry roads and it's windy, and I get motion sickness so easily. And I never puke, but I'm always just kind of like feeling gross. So I got these things. I've seen these before, they're acupressure points, and I've always been like, yeah, I don't know, but they work so well. I just got them at Target. They're like $10. You put them like 2.5 fingers below, then you strap this on, and the little ball on the inside right here pushes on a point. I like basically just wore them the whole time because we were just driving to location and I was just getting motion sickness. One of the cool things about doing these videos with Young Living is that I go to some remote places. Been to Australia with them to do Kunzia, Philippines to do Elemi, and now I'm here in France to do lavender. Here it's the same way. It's this really cute countryside town. In this giant hill, there's like a castle, and it's cobblestone roads, cobblestone walls, and we went there. It was really hot the day that we went there, and we're like, all right guys, let's not walk down too far because then we're gonna have to walk back up. It's the castle above all the lavender fields, and there's lots of bills. Here we go. It's also such a cute town, and we stayed in the cutest little hotel cottage bed and breakfast adorable thing. I don't even know what to call it. Look at this. This is unreal. It's crazy. I kind of like, I'm from the Midwest, so I kind of like learning about the farming stuff. I used to work on a farm in South Dakota,
And then I love nutrition, so I like to know like where your food's from and that it's natural and organic and blah, blah, blah. And that is what is so cool about coming here and learning about this. And so that's kind of what I want to show you. When the lavender fields are ready, they will harvest it. We've got dried lavender here getting picked up, putting into this distillation thing. Lavender fields here in a castle. And then they'll put it in this distillation bin basically and let it steam and take out all of the oil, and then it goes and separates oil and water, and then they take all that oil and then that's exactly what goes in the bottles. We were filming the oil come out and I am just trying to keep a straight face because it's so potent that it was burning my eyes, but I had to like get the shot, so I'm like and then they're like, okay, cut, and I was like, oh my god. I think this is like the coolest job in the world because I like learning the process of how it's all, like there's weeds in this field because they don't use any chemicals to get rid of the weeds. They just pull them and then they throw them in and it goes back into the soil. Another thing is I can't have dairy. And France has some pretty delicious cheese. And I know because I always try it just to see if it's worth the stomach ache. Usually I'm good about it. I'm like, okay, yum. I remember one time Seth and I were kind of in a bind and there was like pizza available and I was like, Seth, should I just eat the pizza? And he was like, no, don't eat the pizza. I was like, okay, Seth, whatever. So that was my trip to France. By the time this shows, I'll be back in Minnesota. Normally I stay like a week later and explore the area, but Seth and I are moving to Washington. Moving, everyone's like, oh, you're moving? And I'm like, well, sort of. We're gonna be there for 6 months while Seth is in the academy. So we'll be there until the end of December. We leave August 1st and we just start driving. If you guys are in the Mount Vernon area and know anyone renting a room, let us know because we need to find that. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe. And if you're interested in doing live video chats, please check out my Patreon. Or if you're interested in getting in more giveaways that I'm gonna do for Patreons only. Mwah. Bye. Right now I'm off the hook a little bit because they're doing drone stuff. So I'm just gonna go walk in these fields and I cannot believe it's just really beautiful. Look, I'm gonna walk out there. Let me get closer so you can actually see the drone. How beautiful is this place? A lot of you have asked if it just smells like lavender. I kind of get a lavender smell, not always, kind of when it's a little bit warmer it does. You guys like this hat? I wore this in the Philippines and now I'm wearing it here and I just think it's just the cutest thing ever, right? Just got it at Target if you want one.